Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I filmed this full glam makeup tutorial for you guys, the whole cut crease and everything, and I really wanted to go in depth and to show up close and personal how to achieve this look. So hopefully you guys get a bunch of tips and tricks from watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. But let's get straight into the tutorial. First, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation and applying it all over my face with my Sigma Kabuki brush. And I'm going to focus on pressing the product into the skin. And to really achieve that full coverage look, this foundation brush really helps with that. And I really like this foundation so far. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, and I'm just pressing it into my skin with my finger and applying it to the areas that I want to highlight on my face. I really like using lighter colors because I really like a bright under eye, but it's up to you what your preference is. To set the concealer, I'll be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and applying this in all the areas that I highlighted my face. And I kind of built it up. First, I press the powder into the skin, and then I bake for a little bit because I tend to get a little bit oily. So this helps it stay matte as long as possible and kind of gives you that flawless finish look. To contour my face, I'll be using the NYX Matte Bronzer and lightly building up the color. And to make it look more airbrush, I definitely use a light hand and kind of use circular motions going upward. For my transition shade, I'll be using this Dusty Rose color in my M518 brush, and first line a very light amount of color and building it up using swiping motions right above the crease and using circular motions, and kind of start winging it out. But really focus on that area and then later winging it out, and just focusing on building up the color using light motion. Then I'll be applying this hot pink shade in the crease and right above the crease using my Sigma E38 brush. I really like this brush. It's a diffuse crease brush, and using swiping motions, circular motions, building up the color and winging it out. And then going back in with the previous brush with no product and blending any harsh lines out. Next, with this purple violet color, I'll be applying this in the crease area using my Morphe M514 brush. This is a very small blending brush, and I like it because I can really get into the crease, and I'm just going to keep building up that color and winging it out, of course, using the same techniques. Using my same concealer, I'm going in with a mini concealer brush. I got this from Morphe, and cutting up the crease, cutting the crease, you know what I'm saying. Then going in with this bright white color and a flat shadow brush and just patting it all over the crease. Then using this sparkly purple and using the same small blending brush and just kind of like blending it out towards the outer corner. And with a flat shadow brush, I'll be applying the Dusty Rose and diffusing this color on the bottom of my waterline, and then applying that hot pink color and blending those two colors out together, and filling in the gaps on my lash line before I put my lashes, and on my waterline using this Colourpop gel liner. And using the MoonChild Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and applying this color in my inner corner before applying the glitter that I'm using from Lemonhead LA. I love this glitter, it's so cute. And it's like it has a gel consistency, so I don't need no glitter glue, and just apply it in my inner corner. And for lashes, I am using my new lash line 3D Mink lashes that I'm coming out with May 10th. This is the style Drippy. I'm so excited and I love these so much. Perfect for a cut crease look or cat eye look. Love. For blush, I'm using the Sigma Hot Spot powder blush and just applying that on the apple of my cheek and a little bit on my nose. Yes, I use mascara as a brow gel. Don't judge me, and I don't care. And for lip liner, I'll be using my favorite lip liner from NYX Cosmetics. It's called Brooklyn Thorne. Then I'll be topping it off with this Fenty gloss. It's the Cosmic Gloss in the color Spacesuit. This is limited edition, but I just love it so much. So I'm so sad, but it's popping. And using that same pink heart color from the Glow Kit MoonChild from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'll be highlighting my face with that. And that is all, chicas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment down below what you guys think. Thank you guys so much.